shovel our area.
Yeah, we need to.
Ah, snowball fight! Yeah! Yeah, a snowball fight. Let's bury him up. Sorry, Spidey, we need to bury you up. Let's just leave her like that so we know. Whoever finds Spidey first wins. I got him! Me too! I'm gonna shake my glove.
You tell me if you guys feel cold, ha? Halika dito. Don't put your eyes, okay? Don't put eyes on your eyes.
Ah! What are you up? But not my face, okay?
Not the face. Ah, that's not good. Stand up, stand up. No, Barry, Barry.
I didn't know.
No, Barry, Barry. That's enough.
Mommy,
Halika dito.
wait.
Stop playing the snow only in your body. Only in... Come na.
Need to wipe this first.
Are you cold? Are you cold? Are you cold na?
No!
Is it time to go?
No.
Sansan, is your hand cold?
I'm gonna touch you. Yeah.
Shh, I said no on the face.
Otherwise, the toy.
You're gonna get cold. Are you cold now, Sansan? Sansan, are you cold?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go inside na.
No. No.
You're cold.
No, I don't want to. Not cool. We have Jack to play.
Your hand is cold.
No. Let's try to bury our toy. I'm finding it. I'm gonna try to throw it.
You like it, is not today?
Yes. No.
Ate, your Spider-Man is here. Don't go far. You'll never know if there is a over there. Come, there's a snow here. Your Spider-Man here. Son, can you give the Spider-Man to Ate? The one at your back. The one at your back. It's your back. At your back. Ate, it's your Spider-Man. You give it to Ate. At your back. At your back. Ate, come here and take your Spider-Man. You see, it's too big for you. Put it up more.
Another one. I need another one, Mommy. TV, save the world. TV, save the world.
Wow, that's too high. Snow. Keep walking, ate.
Go! Go!
No, I don't like this stroller.
Go! 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 There's snow on your pants. Sorry.
It's okay, anak. Tara. Should be backward. Keep moving, anak. Because of the thick snow. What we did is we leave it here. Come, your stroller is waiting for you now. Go home. That's Ati Dati. Hi, ate. Hi, stroller. Good you wait for us. Yeah. We can't bring you in to Ate school. Oh, this is bad day. No, there's no bad day. Stay. Oh no. Walang madaanan. Oh my. Grabe sila sa Canada. Oh Lord, have mercy on us. Heal the world. Make it a better place so the people will call you and fear you, oh God, and surrender to you. Call upon the name of the Lord and be saved. Call upon the name of the Lord and be saved.